I have a pretty aesthetic body, and in this video I will reveal to you how I managed to get this body in 4 steps. The first step is what you are going to do for the first year of your training. You don't need to lose weight and cut after 3 months of training in the gym. You don't deserve to be lean and shredded. You need to start by building muscle. If you will cut, you will make a big mistake. You will get a skinny physique. You don't want to have a skinny physique. You will look ugly. So one of the most prominent reasons why you want to have an aesthetic body is for women. And if you will be skinny, that's not the body that women like. They like the muscular body, this kind of body. And in the third step I will tell you what to do next after the first year, and there is a free fitness program in my community in the description, so get it. Second step, these are the muscles that you want to focus on when you train. So I won't tell you how to train them because I'm not going to waste your time. You can just search on YouTube and see there are tons of videos about how to train these muscles. I will just tell you what muscles to train. The first most important muscle, shoulders. When you are with the shirt on, the muscle that actually gets you to fit your sleeves is your shoulders. Bro, shoulders are just the best muscle that you can focus on. And then chest, because this will just give you a strong look, especially the upper chest, the one that gives you more mass to the chest. And then back, this will give you the Dorito kind of look, the V-taper. Most people are wrong. They think that they need smaller waist and bigger shoulders. Right, this is the V-taper, that's nice, but the thing that really complements your body when it comes to the V-taper is your back, specifically the lats. And then arms and forearms, you will look bigger on sleeves, and forearms just make you look bigger overall because they are always shown. And then legs won't really give you an aesthetic body, but they are nice. They are very nice to have. You want to have big legs, you are not going to skip leg days. The fourth step is all about consistency, and I will reveal to you in this step a simple hack to become way more consistent. But before that, the third step, what you do after the first year. You cut, you get cleaner, you actually achieve your dream body, the lean and muscular body, the jacked one. I'm about to reveal to you a hack to get leaner a lot easier. What body fat percentage you want to get to? You really want to get to 12, 10 and even sub 10% body fat, but you won't be able to maintain this body fat. Our goal is to get to a body fat that you can maintain for basically the rest of your life. So you will be jacked and lean forever. And this body fat is kind of a range, and this range is different for every person. Your range might be 10 to 15. But other person's range might be 15 to 20. I will use 15% body fat as the sweet spot for most people. And that's where you want to get to. In 15% body fat, you will still have abs, visible abs, but you won't be really lean. You won't be shredded. You will still be jacked. So the hack to get leaner easier is to eat more protein and fiber. Indigestible fiber doesn't get digested, and it's just an easy way to eat more food. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient. Think about it like this. No one fucking overeat on protein. No one just overeat chicken breast and egg white. That's why you want to eat more of that kind of food. And it will also help you to maintain more muscle mass. The fourth step, I told you what it is to get consistent, but why it's so important? Because after you get your dream body and you're lean and everything, if you will stop to train in the gym, you will lose muscle, you will lose your gains, you will slowly get lazier, you will start to eat more junk food, you will regain your body fat, and you will become fat or skinny again. You will lose your gains. That's the worst thing that could happen. And that's why you want to make the routine so easy for you to do. Don't do it. Don't train in the gym for 6 months, 2 hours every day. That's unsustainable. That's kind of a routine that you won't be able to follow for the long term. Instead, make it sustainable and be consistent with it for the long term. That's what you need to do. That's what will compound into you having your dream body. And the hack to become more consistent is to change your identity, because if you will see yourself as someone who does this action on a daily basis, you will do it more. That's as simple as it gets. And before you're about to skip a workout, say to yourself, what the fuck? I'm not someone who skips a workout. I'm a consistent guy and I'm not going to skip this workout. I'm going to go no matter how I feel. And with it, don't look at the next hard workout that you're about to do. Look at the next step. that you are about to take, because if you will think about the next hour of working out that you will have to go through, that you will suffer, the friction will get so much higher. Instead, look at the next step, that you're putting your gym clothes, you're going to the gym, you're doing the first exercise. That's what you need to look forward to, not the next like hard thing. Not only that, the identity that you have has like huge impact over the actions that you take in your day-to-day life. And if you want to learn 2 hacks that made me way more consistent, you can click on this video.